Alright, this is the demonstration of a for a Glock 0.75 inch grip extension made by Garrison Grip. This will fit all 9, 40, and 357 Magnum magazines except for the Glock 43. So if you have a 40, a 9, or a 357 and it's not a Glock 43, this grip extension will fit. Now I'm just going to demonstrate how this looks on in this case, a Glock 19. So I'm going to take off this base plate with the new Mag Cam Wizard by Garrison Grip. Just slides this off like this very easily. If you know anything about Glock, you know that that's kind of a pain to do for the most part. So then, just make sure we put this back in like this. Just set down one of the Mag Cam Wizard cams and slide it on. And there you have it, ready to go. This is the Glock 19. Give you an idea what it looks like. Thanks for watching.